Armed guards take all the fun out of sports riots. She decides who fights Queenie. Captain Rumbeard started as a ship's dentist. He killed the captain with a poisoned tooth. Haven't seen Edie in a few years. She retired from the ring. Hey, Edie.
Oh, hi, Duke. You gonna fight?
Not today. Gotta woo some lady. No quarrel with him. He's okay. Do I know ya?
My name is Juan del San Juan. Perhaps you heard of me.
I have now. She's a real outlaw. Operates a dance hall on Sundays. Mary Wren's a dangerous woman. She knows me too well to be wooed. Cutthroat Sandine. We still got matching scars from fighting in Britannia. Fun times. Nay, too much talk and he'll cut me throat. Eulotley's looking good. Been working out. Wrestling Queenie today?
Studying her style.
Ishel, goddess of Aztekla. You ever, romance a mortal?
Not my thing.
Horse-faced old windbag. That's me description of most governors. How'd you land that lady, Gov?
Kind words and family treasures.
I told you, gold means nothing to me.
I find that hard to believe.
How long does wooing take?
We do instantly.
Oh, stop saying that. It makes me sound easy.
You ever fought Queenie? The best fighter becomes governor, right?
I hope not. I disagree with Queenie's positions on import tax.
Don't tease the animals.
Bye.
Good day.
Beautiful. But she made her choice. You really gonna marry this guy?
My heart knows what it wants.
Me heart only pumps blood. What impressed you about your man?
His voice, his wit, and I knew it would piss off my mom.
Do ladies like fights?
I do. I admire the footwork.
Fancy tiara you got.
Yeah, he says it's priceless.
You like treasure?
It's just a lure. And I'm no fish.
Stop discussing royal heirlooms. We don't want an incident.
See ya.
Adieu.
Captain Marcus Gallo, the Untalkable, called to testify against his own parents as a wee lad. He didn't speak then, and he hasn't spoken since. We call him the Untalkable. Felix Lagoon. Before he was a sailor, he patrolled the alleys of Gur, his hometown. Patrolled or trolled? I forget which. Nay, his breath's worse than mine. Cossack Mame, brave warrior with funny little guitar. I prefer to punch, but death by singing's fun too. We'll sing about this some other day. Ahoy there.
What do you want, Swabby?
Tough job watching all these people.
I'm protecting the governor and his new fiancée.
They look happy. Gov really knows how to woo.
It wasn't that hard. He just gave her an engagement tiara.
Ooh, wouldn't mind getting my hands on that.
She decides... A lady administrator. Two things I fear. Give me a fight card. I'm always ready to fight.
I'm not letting you in that ring. You're a savage, not a wrestler. You might kill our gorilla and ruin our livelihood.
Give me a fight card or I'll smash the audience.
Give up, Handle, bro. The governor's here, and if you brawl, that deputy will shoot you dead.
I'll probably get another medal.
What do I get if I win?
All the women on the island will scream your name.
Not in terror? That's new.
It'll never happen, Clam Cheeks.
You romanceable?
I don't date meatheads.
How's the crowd?
We got celebrities in the front row. They're all more famous than you'll ever be.
I'm not gonna kill your gorilla. Wrestling's not real. It's a show. We be actors.
You're the type that forgets himself in the ring. You'll lose your temper. And honey, that chin will never get you anywhere in showbiz.
Would you be willing to bend the rules?
Well, it'd have to be worth losing my job.
What happens if Queenie refuses to fight?
Ridiculous. I'll never see that day.
Bye. There it is. The fight card that lets me fight the gorilla. Mine!
Hands off, you big beast. I decide who gets a fight card.
Let's brawl!
Not without a fight card.
Me thinks she's too busy to be wooed.
All challengers welcome!
Brought to you by Sal's Rat Jerky and Fruit Stand. We do weddings, shipwrecks, and bar mitzvahs. Queenie puts up with him. Might be useful. Let me fight Queenie.
See that administrator over there?
Yeah?
Get a fight card from her. Give it to the barker, jump in the ring.
Easy as meat pie. If I win, will women love me?
You're not gonna win. Best to just enjoy your time in the ring.
Oh, you wait. You work for Queenie?
She's a gorilla. She don't own the company.
So she don't talk?
No. And I'm a little concerned that you asked.
What's her career record?
Undefeated. And she eats all the trophies.
How many matches a day?
She'll fight as long as fools step in.
What kind of training does she do?
She just eats and fights.
That was enough for me, till today. She got a secret?
No secret. It's the unstoppable power of fruit. I've become a fruitarian myself.
I'm trembling. Why does anyone need a card to fight?
Legal reasons. Queenie drowned some guys.
Oh, well, we all done that. Admin won't give me a fight card.
I can't help you, matey. Not my call.
What's wrong with the administrator?
I think she's ready to quit. She hasn't been paid in months.
Why does Queenie love fruit?
Love's a curious thing. I'll just carry a crate. Oops, it's empty again. Excuse me.
I'll intimidate with me hardest stare. She not trembling. You get rages? Yeah, me too. If someone hurts me, I destroy them. I never carry pain inside. I push it out onto everything around me. Ever get teased for being big? Sorry, too personal. How do you deal with injuries? I got broken ribs taking forever to heal. Some mornings I roll out of my hammock and I ache like an old man. You ever fight monkeys? I'm plagued by a pack near the fruit stand. How's that fruit diet? We should try out the barbecue later. Good talk. This island's full of pretties. Every conversation strains me nerves. Ready to fight.
Hand over your fight card, and you can step in the ring.
I must have a fight card.
Other side of the bleachers.
What do I need to get a fight card?
First, you have to talk to the administrator.
If I win, will you be impressed? Maybe even wooed?
I'd be very surprised.
Can you tell the administrator I'm okay?
She is not too happy with me.
Sorry to hear that.
She wants to get paid more. She's basically working for free.
Good crowd?
Step in the ring and make 'em cheer.
Are you the judge?
Oh, we don't need a referee. The bouts don't last long.
Do you train Queenie?
She's a natural brawler. We just keep her on her diet.
What do I need to get a fight card?
Speak to the lady at the desk.
Adios. Another pirate ship damaged by the Barcelons. I don't need a fleet. Yet. Merchant ship. On the open sea, we'd sink 'em in a hot minute. I got enough crew already. Just gotta pass their test to become captain.
Fill her up, Sal. She's real hungry today.
I'll fill her crate when I'm bloody good and ready.
I'll be back for it soon.
I got scurvy. Need fruit.
What am I? A hospital? If you're dying, eat off the garbage pile.
It's not that easy. You fancy the guy who carried the crate?
Him? Sure folk. Can't be trusted.
When's your boyfriend coming back for that crate?
He'll be along when I feel it. Can't you see I'm too busy dealing with all these customers?
Who are your customers?
Everyone from cooks to queens. My fruit stand is known across the world. Now move along and let the paying customers through.
Talk later. This goes to feed the gorilla. Can't get any fruit till I scare off them monkeys. The ones on the barrel be the problem. The sleepy ones on the fruit, they're out of the fight. She has an air of mystery about her.
Aye, she be in a sad state.
Mystery, Ben, not misery.
Oh, sorry.
Poseidon's clavicle. She's a fetchin' lass. But she'll never notice a guy like me.
You mean a 7-foot pirate standing next to me talking to himself?
I best choose me words carefully to win her attention.
You do understand that's not an internal monologue, right? I can hear you.
I wondered. I mean, maybe with only, well, because,
Is that English?
Okay, see, flapjacks and grout, carbuncle.
Maybe code? Spit it out, sailor.
Captain said never spit on a lady.
Well, he sounds like a real charmer.
Aye, although maybe not so much now that he's dead. Sorry to bother you.
Wait, maybe you can help. I could use a big, strong guy. Captain Jane Starling. I'm on a secret mission.
Duke Grabowski. I'm terrible with women. Also, swashbuckler in training.
Can you fight?
Can't do anything else.
I need you to get a hat from a gorilla. I'll do you a favor in return.
Why this hat?
I stole plants from the Ogu raiders and hid them in the brim of my hat.
Perfect hiding place.
Then I tossed it into a gorilla nest.
Not so good, that part, when you think about it.
Verily, now I can't get it back.
What kind of hat?
It's purple with a white brim and a pink plume. Basically, it's the one on the gorilla.
Where be this gorilla?
At the wrestling ring. You'll have to fight her to get my hat.
This be a real fight or one of them entertainments?
From the graves by the pier, I'd say it's real.
I'll survive. I never died yet. Why'd you throw your hat in a gorilla nest?
I was being chased, so I threw it in, knowing they wouldn't dare go after it.
Good thinking. So what happened?
They went after it. The memorial was lovely, the headstones were tasteful, and Queenie the gorilla wore a fetching purple hat. She hasn't taken it off since.
And if we get your hat, might there be romance?
Highly unlikely.
What if I told you it would help me make captain?
I'd say find another line of work.
Well, how about if we just say there was romance?
You mean tell your crew we take romantic walks on the beach and finish each other's sentences?
Exactly.
You don't speak in full sentences.
Please?
If you help me get my hat, I'll vouch for you.
Okay, deal.
My skills will come in handy. I'm an expert thief and spy. I'll meet you at the wrestling ring.
He's got that telltale adventurer look about him. What does your button say?
Ask me about earplay. Audio adventures where the story reacts to your choices.
I understand none of that. Looks like some good appetizer.
The Corsair crab cakes were great, but I don't know why he ordered the potato-like skins.
No, the crab cakes were terrible. They had no frosting. The potato skins, now those were delicious.
I tasted skin, but I think it was pirate, not potato. Oh, I don't know how you keep that stuff down.
Save your reviews for the suggestion box. You're driving me customers away.
Yes, you're ruining happy hour.
Nothing like a good food fight. He thinks he's smarter than me. He's probably right. He orders terrible drinks, huh?
I couldn't have. I took the terrible tonics off the menu last March.
Are you kidding? It's hard enough getting pirate crews to respect our entertainment background. He shouldn't tempt the fates by ordering fruit drinks in volcano mugs.
My drink was on fire. You can't get any manlier than that. Besides, you ordered a martini on the Bounty.
Well, they don't serve rum in bilge water. Plus, it's a lovely shade of lavender.
Ugh. Don't talk about that bilge water.
You could never handle our rugged high seas adventures anyway.
Yeah, mix it up, lads. A hardened old pirate captain dreaming of the past. Ahoy, Captain.
Retired, actually.
Aye, you look exhausted.
Oh, Captain William the Roach McCrusty. Retired.
Ah, why they call you the Roach?
Well, it used to be the Bugbeard. And while roaches crawling out of me facial hair did strike fear into the hearts of me enemies, it also kind of gave me crew the willies.
Blast ye, Captain.
I finally had to shave me infested beard, but now me cockroach crew have no place to bunk. I still miss me hearties. Oh, there's one now. Ahoy! Darn.
Those eyes, that be the look of a killer.
Aye, he's ground dozens under his boot heel, I tell ya.
Duke Grabowski Mighty Swashbuckler.
Well, avast there. Call me Big D.
Aye, that I will. What's the D stand for?
Just D. Parents were filling out me birth certificate when they came under attack by Ugu raiders. D was all they wrote before they met their terrible fate. Luckily for me, some pirates took me and raised me as their own. Taught me to earn me keep, ridden the ship of bugs and other vermin.
A band of bloodthirsty pirates is only as good as its exterminator. Big D saved me skin many a time.
He looks to still be getting his land legs.
Aye, best stop your blasted swaying for I heave ho.
Barkeep, what do you call this fine establishment?
Been plundering.
Of course I've been plundering. I'm a pirate. But where I be drinking?
Actually, they tore down the I be drinking to build this place.
So, your bar be called this place?
No, it's the Ben Plunder Inn, where drunken debauchery meets family-friendly dining. Ben Plunder at your service.
Thanks, I still don't know where I be. So, what's the deal here?
Deal? Why, it's our 2-for-1 Super Sailor meal deal. Buy one carcass platter for full price and get a second one at no additional charge. And remember, Fridays Peg Leg Pirates drink free. So, are you hungry?
Not anymore.
An all too familiar refrain. Tell you, sometimes I wish I never gave up me carefree pirate ways for the hard life of a barman. Aye, food service be a cruel mistress. Menu planning, grog pairings, storing perishables.
Ahoy, plunder! How fresh be these victuals?
No more than a fortnight, Captain. I think.
Word on the seas is you know people.
I like to think so.
So, know any women lasses?
Not many. Ever since Sheriff Steele shut down our sell-through window, the lasses prefer that tavern on the bridge.
And might you know how to woo the ladies?
Sure. I can't keep 'em off me. But minding the inn leaves little time to enjoy their affections.
What's your secret?
Women can't resist a man in an apron.
I don't have time for a second job. Okay, but do you really know yourself?
Well, I've been doing a bit of soul searching since I remodeled the inn. But I guess I never...
No, I mean, who are you?
Oh, just a pirate trying to make an honest living. What was I thinking?
People are a mess.
Truer words ne'er spoken.
I hear tell you've been places.
A few.
What be your most dangerous voyage?
Oh, well, that would be crossing the Crooked Straits, as sure as I'm swaying here. I sailed from Port Toll under Captain McCrusty and his mate Big D. 'Twas the roughest patch of water this side of Hell's Boil, which is more like a skin boil than the hot kind.
Was there a curse or pillaging?
Well, no. Just a minor cockroach problem.
So the danger was you fell asleep at the helm because it was so boring?
You know, my patrons let me go on about that adventure for hours. Then again, my patrons are usually passed out.
Tell me about this island.
Actually, I haven't seen much of it, but it's supposed to be amazing. At least that's what I wrote in the Ben Plunder Inn brochure. I heard students sail over from the academy. Not that they ever come here. Well, let's see. Pirates sell cargo to the merchants in town. The governor takes his cut. And once in a while, an earthquake kills everyone.
Ever been to Hidden Island?
Aye, and a long and treacherous journey it be. But worth the effort. Hidden Island Ranch makes the best dressing. I feature it on all me salads.
Hidden Island Ranch dressing was Captain America's favorite. What's the deal with earthquakes here?
Why, the seismic sling special. It's an amazing drink deal featuring our most popular cocktail. Free with any tumbler above a 6.5.
No, I meant how come you have so many?
Another promotional stunt gone bad. Never agree to a marketing tie-in with an angry volcano god. But don't worry, this tavern is safe.
Enough travel talk. You look like a man who knows about stuff.
That I do.
Gimme grog!
Sorry, can't serve you anymore. You're red-faced and slurring.
That's how I always am.
Look, don't make me get the sheriff over here.
Good. I need a sword.
Then you'll be wanting a rusty blade. Comes in a souvenir mug with a pineapple wedge and a decorative little sword. This cocktail will have you well armed for a night of revelry.
I can't handle fancy drinks.
Oh, none of my customers can. They just get loud, threaten to go to the gnarly narwhal, then start poking each other with the tiny swords. And the sheriff always comes to break it up when things get out of hand.
So, do you have any fight cards?
Go fish.
Then you must have noticed me ship.
The Brazen Blade? Aye, fine vessel. But where's Captain Amerigo? Now there was a real hero, a swashbuckler, and I swear on me dead brunch business, the best tipper ever to set foot in this place.
He drowned.
Blimey, way to kill the mood.
I don't need stuff right now.
If you say so.
Your swaying's got me green in the gills. I be off.
If you lose your lunch, you know where to find another.